Hi, welcome to Caveman Lessons, where Zig Zug, a good caveman, that's me, teaches you, that's you, how to good, true caveman talk? No, we don't learn how to talk here at Caveman School, we learn how to drink. Now, when Zig Zug was young, Papa told him, son, either you hunter or you gatherer, because there's no other way that we can think of to make food. So the drink I teach you how to make today is called the Hunter, the Gatherer. First, you take 2 pots, vodka. Don't be afraid to pour a lot. Then you take 1 pot, Jagermeister, master of the heart. That's the hunter. Again, pour a hefty amount of that. That's good. And then you fill with cranberry juice, which you have gathered from the bushes. Perhaps from another tribe's territory. But it doesn't matter, because you're violent. Hey, I'm Al Schrader. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, or subscribe. Yeah? Maybe?